are you all? Yes, I hope all of you are fine and doing well at your home. So students, today we are going to learn a new chapter more about keyboard. So all of you know, in our tablet, in our desktop, in our laptop, there are the keyboards are present. In the desktop or in a laptop you can see the physical keyboard, but in case of tablet on your mobile phone you can see the on-screen keyboard. Look, if I click on on-screen keyboard, the keyboard will come like this. In the desktop screen you can see the keyboard. Look, I am not using that keyboard, I am using this one. You can see this is the keyboard. So in keyboard there are 104 keys are present. So all of you have some basic idea about the keys. Just revise it. Let's revise it. So these alphabets are known as alphabet keys on the keyboard. Okay, and these numbers are known as you can see the number here also, and in the above of the alphabet key you can see the number keys. These are known as number keys. These four are the arrow keys. You can see the arrow keys. Okay, there is the enter key, the backspace key, the delete key. Okay, so today we are going to learn something more about the keyboard. That is we are going to learn about caps lock key. You can see the caps lock key. We are going to learn caps lock key, shift key. Okay, so in your keyboard there are one caps lock key, two shift key, two enter key. You can see the enter key, shift key is also here present. Then after the Windows key, this one is the Windows key. Okay, this symbol is look like Windows. You can see the window also here. If you are getting confused, then see this is the window option. Same thing is present here, Windows key. Okay, then the numlock key. Okay, in this chapter we will learn this much. So let's start. Today first we are going to learn about the caps lock key. So just tell me why you are going to use the caps lock key. The name is the name can be described, because caps lock key mostly we use to write the capital letters, okay, or uppercase letter. The keys on the keys, the alphabets are written in which case? Uppercase. So to write it you can open Notepad or you can open MS Word. So I am opening here MS Word to show you. Okay, I am increasing the size so that it is visible to you. So caps lock key is used to type capital alphabets or uppercase alphabets. Look, so once the key is pressed, the caps lock light is switched on. This indicates that the caps lock key is activated. So in the case of desktop you can see there are three options are present: num lock, caps lock and scroll lock. But in case of laptop the light is present within the caps lock. Look, now the light is off. When I press it the light will glow. Just see, you can see the light glows here. All of you are able to see it. So if you see the light is glowing over here, that means the caps lock key is on. Look, now the caps lock key is on. I am going to write my name, Lupa. So it is comes in capital, uppercase. Again I am going to off it. Okay, and here I am going to write Mudra. Look, now it is comes in word, lowercase letter or normal letter. So the first four alphabets are in capital letter because the caps lock key is on, and rest are in lowercase because the caps lock key is off. Okay, so when you press the caps lock key again the light will off. That means the caps lock light is switched off. It indicates the caps lock key is not active or it is inactive. So let's take some examples. Again I am going to show you students. So first just see, now the caps lock key is off. I am writing here computer. You can see it comes in small letter, then enter. Again just see, I am clicking the capital letter, sorry, caps lock key, switching on the caps lock key again. Now I will write computer. See, it comes in capital letter or not? So that means when you are switching on the caps lock key it will come in capital letter. When the caps lock key is off then it comes in lowercase letter. Okay, so all of you understood about the caps lock key. So if the caps lock key So you can see in the keyboard there are only one caps lock key. You can see only one caps lock key is present. You can see, are you able to see any other caps lock key? You just see, I am showing you the full keyboard. No, only one caps lock key is present in our keyboard. Suppose you want to write the caps lock key, but the caps lock key is not working, okay, in your keyboard. So how you will write? You can use the on-screen keyboard. Also you can use some other keys are present in your keyboard to write the capital letter. So what are the other keys? The other key is your shift key. You see how many shift keys are there? 1 and 1, 2. So in your keyboard there are 2 shift keys are present. The shift key is used in combination with the other keys. So let's learn how the shift key will work. So if we press the shift key, look, these are the number keys. Also there are some symbols are present here above on it. Yes or no? Yes. So if we press the number 2 just once, then number 2 is written, but shift key, just remember we have to use the shift key by one finger and the other key we have to press in another finger. So again I am going to show you how to use the shift key. So first I am going to press the shift key, then I am going to press the number 2. You can see now it comes the @ symbol. So to write the above symbols on each number key, you can use the shift key. Okay, you can use any key. So if we press the shift key and hold it, then press the number 2 key and release both. It will show the @ on the monitor. The shift key is also used for typing in capital letters without turning on the caps lock key. So student, this is the plus point for us. If the caps lock key is not working, we can use the shift key. Okay, the shift key from our keyboard to write in capital letters, because there are 2 shift key in our keyboard, so we can use any. So look, now you can see the caps lock key is off and I am not going to use the shift key. So now I am going to write worksheet. Look, it comes in small or not? Now I am going to use the shift key. So to use the shift key, you have to press the shift key in one finger. Then you are going to write the alphabets in another finger. Look, I am pressing the shift key and I am typing W. It comes in capital, then O R K S H E E T. After writing, just release the both shift key and the alphabet key. So this you can see the caps lock key, the capital letters shown here, the uppercase letter, yes or no? And also we are not going to use the caps lock key anymore, because we can write the capital letters by using the shift key. So it is very important to remember which key we can use if the caps lock key is not active in your keyboard to write the capital letters. So your answer will be your shift key. So shift key we are going to use for to type the symbols. You can see the symbols on each of the alphabet keys or each of the number key to write the symbols. So students, you have to remember that we can use the shift key if the caps lock key is off. If we on the, just see, I am showing you the difference. Now the caps lock key is off and I am going to write the shift plus B. Okay, shift, I am pressing in one finger shift and in another finger B. You can see B is written over here in capital. Now this is when occurred, when the caps lock key is off. Now I am going to show you, if the caps lock key is on, what will happen? I am powering on the caps lock key. You can see the light glows. See, if the caps lock key is on, and again I am going to use the shift key plus B to write, then it will come in lowercase. Why? Because already the caps lock key is on and it gives the command to write in capital, but you are using the shift key, because caps lock key is used to write in capital, and also you are using the shift plus B. So that means you are also forcing to write in capital. So caps lock key indicates the capital, but you are forcing to use the shift key, that's why it comes in lowercase. So if you are using if you use the caps lock key, otherwise you can use the shift key, vice versa. You cannot use both at a time to write the capital letters. Okay, you can use the caps lock key, else you can use the shift key plus the alphabet key to write the capital letters. Understood? I hope all of you get clear how to use the caps lock key and how to use the shift key. Okay, so caps lock key, all of you know, in our mobile phone the caps lock key is present. Look, I can show you on the on screen keyboard. Look, here also the caps lock key is present, shift key is present. I selected shift. You can see the capital letter comes. So if the caps lock key is on, then I can write the capital letter also. Again I am going to show you caps lock is on and I am using the shift key both. Look, these two are on. It comes in small. That means you can use either caps lock key or you can use the shift key. Time to do your work. Okay. So I hope all of you understood it. Just do practice at your home properly. In the next class we are going to learn about numlock key, home key, end key and Windows key. Okay, so stay at your home safely, stay happy, have a good day. Thank you.